Good morning, children. Sairam. Today we are going to start with EVS 2. Chapter number 11, The Discomfiture of Shaista Khan. And this is part 2. We have studied part 1 in last week. And this is part 2. And we are going to start this part with new words. Spies. Spies. S-P-I-E-S. Spies means secret agents. Disposition. D-I-S-P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N. Disposition means positioning, placement. Camping. C-A-M-P-I-N-G. Camping means chambering. Impression. Impression means feeling. I-M-P-R-E-S-S-I-O-N. Impression. Proceed. P-R-O-C-E-E-D. Proceed means progress or to begin. Struck. S-T-R-U-C-K. Struck means to hit, to attack. Commotion. C-O-M-M-O-T-I-O-N. Commotion means disturbance. Escaped. E-S-C-A-P-E-D. Escaped means to run away. Deceive. D-E-C-E-I-V-E. Deceive means to trick, to fool. Now children, this is the content outline of this part. A bold plan. And the other one is Shaista Khan learns a lesson. Now what happens? We all are aware that Shivaji loved his people. He wanted peace and therefore he established Swaraj. When he saw that the Mughal army is destroying the country and troubling the people, he could not keep quiet. What did Shivaji do? Shivaji decided to teach Shaista Khan a lesson. So he made a bold plan. Shivaji knew all the places, its entrances and exits, secret passages, doors and windows because it was his own house. Now beside this, Shivaji's spies were keeping him well informed. Means secret agents were keeping him well informed about the disposition of the Khan's army. Means the spies would tell him regularly where Khan's troops are. What are they doing? How are they guarding Lal Mahal? And so it was very easy for Shivaji to take a bold decision to enter Lal Mahal and kill Shaista Khan. Lal Mahal was well guarded. It was difficult to enter because there were 75,000 troops outside the palace. Now, no armed Maratha Sardar or soldier was allowed to enter in Lal Mahal. So, Shivaji had to make a bold plan. So, he decided to enter Lal Mahal. He fixed a date. And what was the date? 5th April 1663. To carry out his plan, a marriage procession was passing along the streets of Pune. Now there was music and fireworks accompanied the procession. Hundreds of people dressed in fine clothes were in the procession. Some were in palanquins, some were on foot. Shivaji, with his band of trusted followers, joined the marriage procession. Everyone felt that they were a part of it. After some time, when the procession proceeded on its way, Shivaji and his men moved away quietly in the direction of Lal Mahal. At that time, it was night and Shaista Khan was fast asleep. Now Shaista Khan learns a lesson. Now Shaista Khan was sleeping when Shivaji entered Lal Mahal. Now how did he enter? Yes, that was a plan how to enter inside. So he made a hole in the wall and quickly entered inside the Khan. And that time the Khan's bodyguards were half asleep because it was night time, and Shivaji slowly went deeper inside the palace. As he was going, he saw someone approaching him. He thought it was Shaista Khan, but no, it was his son. Now Shivaji killed him. Now in the commotion, people woke up. Shaista Khan was sleeping in his chamber, but Shivaji went straight to the Khan's chamber and took out his sword. Seeing Shivaji, Khan was terrified. He was scared and he started shouting, "The devil, the devil!" and he tried to escape through the window. But Shivaji would not leave him. He struck him with his sword and cut off his 3 fingers. The Khan could have lost his life, but he escaped with the loss of only 3 fingers. To deceive the Khan's troops, Shivaji and his men started shouting, "Shivaji has attacked! Run! Catch him!" Listening to this, the Khan's troops were confused and started running in all directions. In this confusion, Shivaji and his men escaped from Lal Mahal and reached Sinhgarh. Now here, Khan's troops spent the whole night looking for Shivaji and his troops. But they weren't there. They were already escaped. Now Shaista Khan was frightened. He was scared that in the first attack, I lost my 3 fingers. In the second, I will lose my head. When Aurangzeb came to know about the incident that took place in Lal Mahal, he was angry on Shaista Khan, and so he lost emperor's favor and was transferred to Bengal. Now this was the first serious blow to the Mughal power. Shivaji had successfully bearded the lion in his own den. Now this was a great risk that Shivaji had taken, but he was successful. Gunfire announced the victory, and a wave of joy went all over Maharashtra. Now children, we will learn in detail. A bold plan. Now at last, Shivaji decided to teach Shaista Khan a lesson. In a way, it was good that Shaista Khan was staying in Lal Mahal. Now why it was good? Because Shivaji knew the palace inside out, with all its entrances and exits, its secret passages, doors and windows. Beside this, Shivaji's spies were keeping him well informed about the disposition of the Khan's troops. Now Shivaji therefore decided to enter Lal Mahal one night and kill Shaista Khan. Now this was indeed a very bold plan. Lal Mahal was so guarded that even an ant would find it difficult to get through. Now why? Because 75,000 troops were camping outside the palace. No armed Maratha Sardar was allowed to enter the town. But Shivaji had made up his mind, and there was none who could turn him away from this resolve. Now Shivaji fixed the date to carry out the plan. And what was the date? Yes, 5th April 1663. A marriage procession was passing along the streets of Pune. Now there was music, firework accompanied the procession. Hundreds of people dressed in fine clothes were there in the procession. Now some were in palanquins, now while many more were on foot. Now Shivaji with his band of trusted followers joined the procession to give the impression that they were a part of it. Now after some time the procession proceeded further on its way, but Shivaji and his men moved away quietly in the direction of Lal Mahal. And at that time Shaista Khan was fast asleep at this hour. Shaista Khan learns a lesson. Now, how Shivaji entered inside the Lal Mahal. Now, Shivaji made a hole in the wall and entered Lal Mahal. Now, he had no trouble in finding his way about because it was, after all, his own house. The Khan's bodyguards were half asleep because it was night time. Shivaji's followers tied them up. Now Shivaji went deeper inside. Suddenly someone rushed at him with a sword. Shivaji killed him. He thought it was Shaista Khan, but it was his son. There was commotion, there was disturbance. People woke up. Shivaji went straight to the Khan's chamber and took out his sword. Terrified Khan was scared. He shouted, "The devil, the devil!" and tried to escape through the window. Shivaji struck him with the sword, which cut off 3 fingers of the Khan. The Khan could have lost his life, but he escaped with the loss of 3 fingers only. The Khan jumped out of the window and made for safety. Now, to deceive the Khan's troops, Shivaji and his men raised the cry, "Shivaji has attacked! Run, catch him! Run, catch him!" and started to run themselves. The Khan's troops also started running in all directions. In the confusion that followed, Shivaji and his men made their escape and reached Sinhgarh. The Khan's troops spent whole night looking in vain for Shivaji and his troops. Now this incident took the fight out of Shaista Khan. He was afraid that if he lost only his fingers in the first attack, Shivaji might cut his head off in the second. Aurangzeb was furious when he heard of this episode. Shaista Khan lost the emperor's favor and was transferred to Bengal. So this was the first serious blow to the Mughal power. Shivaji had successfully bearded the lion in his own den. Now gunfire announced the victory and a wave of joy went all over Maharashtra. Now children, we are going to start with our assessment. Fill in the blanks by choosing correct option. Shivaji's dash were keeping him well informed about the disposition of the Khan's troops. Workers, spies, mawlas. And the correct answer is spies. Secret agents. Okay. Shivaji decided to enter Lal Mahal and kill Dash. Shaista Khan, Adil Shah, Fazal Khan. Yes, and the correct answer is Shaista Khan. Lal Mahal was well guarded with Dash troops. 57,000, 50,700 or 75,000. Yes, and the correct answer is 75,000. Shivaji attacked Shaista Khan on the night of Dash. 16th July 1681, 29th July 1688, 5th April 1663. And the correct answer is 5th April 1663. Shivaji killed dash. Shaista Khan, Shaista Khan's son, or Shaista Khan's wife? And the correct answer is Shaista Khan's son. Terrified Shaista Khan shouted dash. Help! The devil, or Allah. And the correct answer is the devil, the devil. Aurangzeb transferred Shaista Khan to dash. Assam, Karnataka, Bengal. And the correct answer is Bengal. Answer in one word. First one, the food carried by the Maratha troops. And the answer is onions and bajra bread. And the second one, which was the first fort captured by Shaista Khan? And the correct answer is Chakan. Who defended Chakan fort for 2 months? And the correct answer is, yes, you have to think on it. Firangoji Narsala. On which day did Shivaji attack Shaista Khan? 5th April 1663. Which fort did Shaista Khan lay siege on his way to Pune? Purandar. Now write the incident or events chronologically. Shivaji and his men departed towards Sinhagad Fort. Shaista Khan made Lal Mahal his headquarters. Shaista Khan captured the fort of Chakan. Shivaji taught Shaista Khan a lesson. Now, if you have read the chapter, you have to read the sentences, and according to the chapter, according to the incident, you have to arrange all the sentence in order. So, what happened first? So, according to the chapter, Shaista Khan captured the fort of Chakan first, and then what happened? Shaista Khan made Lal Mahal his headquarters, and Shivaji taught Shaista Khan a lesson, the fourth one, and then Shivaji and his men departed towards Sinhagad Fort. So 3, 2, 4, 1. So the correct answer is C, last one. Yes, the third one. State whether the following statements are true or false. Aurangzeb was Shaista Khan's uncle. True or false? Yes. And the correct answer is false. Chakan Fort was defended by Firangoji Narsala. True or false? True. Thank you.